I think I just got another reason to take this YouTube experiment seriously. Because I was already trying to figure out why this channel wasn't growing. I have 9 subscribers, 14 videos, and I'm still trying to figure out how to consistently get YouTube to put my videos in front of people. Then today, YouTube announced changes to the partner program, and one number immediately caught my attention: 8,000 watch hours. So now I'm sitting here asking myself a very uncomfortable question. Can a channel this small still realistically get monetized? Because if I'm already struggling to get views, how am I supposed to reach 8,000 hours? But before I panic, I actually want to understand what YouTube changed, because there's more to this announcement than just one scary number. YouTube just changed the game. According to the update, starting February 1st, 2027, new creators applying for the full YouTube Partner Program will face updated eligibility thresholds. The target becomes 1,000 subscribers and either 8,000 qualified watch hours in the last 12 months or 20 million qualified Shorts views in the last 90 days. And if you're already inside the YouTube Partner Program, the update says your status isn't affected. That's important because this isn't YouTube suddenly telling every monetized creator, "Congratulations, you now need twice as much watch time." The change is aimed at new creators entering the program, and that puts me in a very different position. Because I'm not monetized, I'm nowhere close. I'm sitting at 9 subscribers. 9 subscribers. Think about that for a second. The requirement is 1,000. I'm at 9. That means I need another 991 subscribers just to reach the subscriber requirement. And then there's the watch time. 8,000 hours sounds enormous when you're sitting at a channel this small. But here's where I don't want to make the same mistake a lot of small creators make. I could look at that number and say, this is impossible. Or I could ask a better question. What would actually have to happen? Because 8,000 hours isn't one giant mountain that has to come from one video. It's total qualified watch time accumulated across the channel over the relevant period. So the real problem isn't really the number 8,000. The real problem is getting enough people to consistently watch. And that's exactly what I've been struggling with. My real problem. This is why the timing of this announcement is almost perfect for this channel. In my previous video, I was trying to figure out what was actually wrong. Was it the algorithm? Was it the audience? Was it the topic? Was it my packaging? Was I simply making videos that YouTube couldn't confidently match with viewers? I don't have every answer yet, but I do know one thing. I cannot build 8,000 watch hours without solving the distribution problem first, because watch hours require viewers, and viewers require impressions, and impressions require YouTube to have enough confidence about who might actually want to watch what I'm making. So this announcement doesn't change my first objective. It makes that objective even more important. I need people to watch. But there's actually some good news. The announcement isn't entirely bad for someone starting from zero. YouTube is also expanding other ways creators can earn. The update mentions targeted incentive programs, including things like YouTube shopping incentives, brand deal incentives, and other programs designed around growth and engagement. There's also an expansion of Premium Lite, and YouTube says there are still lower entry requirements for certain fan funding and commerce features. So monetization isn't simply 1,000 subscribers, 8,000 hours, nothing else. There are different levels of access to the YouTube Partner Program. But let's be honest, that's not the part I'm chasing right now. I want to build a channel that can actually generate serious watch time. And that means I need something much more important than a monetization shortcut. I need an audience. So can I still do it? Honestly, I don't know. And that's exactly why I'm not going to sit here and give you some fake motivational speech saying, yes, anyone can do it. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. But I'm going to find out, because this channel isn't some massive established creator business. It's tiny. 9 subscribers, 14 videos. I'm still trying to get YouTube to understand exactly who my videos are for. And now the finish line just looks further away. But there's something I actually like about that. It gives this experiment a very clear objective. I'm not going to pretend I've already figured YouTube out. I'm going to document what happens while I figure it out. Here's the new goal. The goal isn't get monetized somehow. The goal is to build a channel where the numbers eventually make monetization inevitable. That means better topics, better titles, better thumbnails, better openings, better retention, and most importantly, a consistent audience. Because if I can get one person to watch, then another, then 10, then 100, then 1,000, the numbers start changing completely. And that's the part I want to test. Not whether I can find another algorithm hack. Not whether there's some secret button inside YouTube Studio. But whether I can actually build something people want to keep watching. So I'm not quitting. If anything, this announcement makes me want to test this harder. Because now there's a very obvious scoreboard. 9 subscribers. The target is 1,000. And according to the update I've been studying, the future watch hour threshold for new full UPP applicants is 8,000. That's a massive gap, but at least I know exactly what I'm trying to cross, and I'm going to document every step. If the channel grows, you'll see it. If it stalls, you'll see that too. If my strategy fails, I'll change it. If I discover something that actually works, I'll test it again before I tell you it works. Because I'm not trying to become another YouTube channel telling small creators what they should do. I'm trying to become the small creator who actually proves it. And right now, I have 9 subscribers. So if you're building a tiny channel too, subscribe. Not because I already have the answers, but because we're about to find out whether I can actually get there. 9 subscribers to monetization. Let's see what happens.